feel like this is like a holiday, like a Christmas party type of look because of the red lip. I don't know. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. So today I created this bronzy brown eyeshadow look, and I paired it with this really bold red lip. If you guys would like to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to start off with priming my eyes, and I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to prime. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking this palette called Ace Beauty. I got this in my BoxyCharm, and I love this palette so much. When I look at this palette, I just see so many different looks that I can do with it, and I feel like I'm going to be using this a lot. Even though it's not that many colors, but I don't know what it is, but I love this palette. So, to start off, I'm going to take the shade right here, Cinnamon, and I'm going to put that in my crease, I'm going to use that shade as my transition. And I'm taking this Morphe E27 brush, which looks like this. Next, I'm going to be taking this gold shade right here called Prime Rose, and I'm going to be putting that on my lid. First, I'm going to cut my crease, and to cut my crease, I'm just going to take the same Tarte Shape Concealer, and I'm going to be using this Morphe E19 brush to cut my crease, and it's just this flat, small brush. Wow, this is really pretty. Moving on to the face, I'm going to be taking my NYX Angel Veil Primer. For foundation, I'm taking the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation, and this is actually in the shade 355 Coconut. I normally use 356 Warm Coconut, but Rite Aid or Walgreens, wherever I went, they didn't have it. So I have to settle for Coconut. For concealer, I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape again to conceal underneath my eyes and on my chin. Set that concealer with my Black Radiance True Complexion powder. I'm really not a huge fan of this powder because it's just really messy. I'd much rather have my Sacha Buttercup, and I need to order some more ASAP because I'm over this powder. Like, taking the top off is messy, putting the top back on, extra messy. Now I'm going to go ahead and contour. And of course, I'm using my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, taking both shades in the palette to contour, except for the highlight shade, of course. I'm going to also carve out my contour with my powder. I kind of want to be a little bit more snatched for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and dust off this powder that I have underneath my cheeks. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wipe away under my eye. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara to prep my lashes for fall seeds. While my lashes are drying, I'm gonna go ahead and do my under eye. And I'm only gonna be taking the brown shade Cinnamon, and I'm gonna take a bullet brush, if I could find one. I'm gonna take this Morphe E36 brush to apply this brown shade. I'm gonna apply some mascara to my bottom lashes. I'm going to apply my lashes off camera and then I'll be right back. Now that I have on my lashes, for lips, I'm going to be taking this Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Lady Balls. This is my favorite red liquid lipstick ever. Like, this color is so bomb, and it's so comfortable on the lips as well. Now I'm going to set my face with the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel, also comment down below, and also tap the bell so that you're notified whenever I do post. Thank you guys so much for your support, and I will see you guys in the next one.